Hello everyone, this is Eden from MAXIZM Construction Machinery Qingdao Corporation Limited, which focuses on exporting construction machines for 60 years. Today, we are at Qingdao warehouse. The machine next to me is LOVOL FR215F cruiser excavator. Let me make one comprehensive introduction of it. Let's go. This excavator is with one enclosed cabin and air conditioner. LOVOL has improved the whole cabin and makes sure low noise and more safer driving model to ensure you have one wonderful driving experience. The operating weight of the excavator is 21,600 kg. And the standard bucket capacity is 1.1 cubic meter. It is machining that the FR215F was represented at the Shanghai Bauma exhibition before. The LOVOL FR215F has excellent working efficiency too. The max digging radius of it is 9,800 millimeters, and digging depths can reach 6,600 millimeters. 385 liters fuel tank enables the excavator has longer working time, and fuel efficiency increased by more than 50%. The LOVOL FR215F is equipped with WEICHAI engine, which can meet national stage 3 emission, and the rated power is 123 kW. Okay, today Qingdao warehouse trip is over. Looking forward to cooperation with you. See you next time. Goodbye.